How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's update is going to be on Scale Speedworks Mustang group build 60th anniversary. Alright, this is going to be my first update on it, and I got the 442 done, but that'll be another video for another day for the Street Machine group build hosted by Blue Ox Model Shop, old Jason. Right now we're going to concentrate on the Scale Speedworks group build hosted by Mike. Scale Speedworks Model Car Garage. Alright guys, before we get this video started, I want to thank you, the subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. Appreciate you guys, love you. And if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to have a subscriber giveaway. I haven't done one in a while, and you know I was blessed with the all them cars I bought at Walmart, $5 a piece. Well, we'll discuss that at the end of this video. Alright, and then too, it's going to be a kind of a little shout out to Phil at Horton's Hot Rod Shop. He's been doing some videos I've been liking, and I'm going to show him what I got. Alright, well, let's get this started. Alright, everybody, if you don't know who this is, get over and subscribe to him. There's his Gmail right there. If you have any questions about the Mustang group build, it's the 60th anniversary of the Mustang group build, hosted by Mike at Scale Speedworks, and anybody I mentioned in this video will be in the description below, guys. Alright, let's move that out of the way. Y'all know I'm building this car right here, and we know we wasn't going to build that. I done decided it was going to be the original version, kind of like that, but you know, I'm shifting gears and it's not going to be like that. I know I told y'all I've had a growed up, well, when I moved to Boonville. I didn't grow up in Boonville, Arkansas. I moved here. When I moved here back in the 80s, I went to high school with a couple of people. I had a couple of cars like this. One guy was kind of a similar blue, and his had the 289 and had the stripes and stuff like that. I think his might have actually been a GT. And then the other one was a girl's car, and it was blue like this, fastback. They're both fastbacks. And hers had a 6-cylinder in it, and that is something you do not see these days, guys. So, shifting gears, this is going to be a 6-cylinder car. I know all you guys are going to hate me. Hate all you want. My model, I do what I want. Do what I want, as Cartman would say. I do what I want. Alright guys, 6-cylinder fastback. Not a GT, not a Shelby, nothing high horsepower, no drag racing. 6-cylinder. Alright guys, let's show you what's going on. Alright, this is the body. I've started to do I glued on the front valance and the back. You can see right here it's for the GT car. But what we're going to do is we're going to fill those, we're going to sand that down, fill those holes in, so no exhaust coming out the back. And you know, there's a little dilemma when it comes to this car because, boom, it's got molded in dual exhaust. Well, I come across in my parts box that helped me decide on this. If I had it, then I wasn't gonna, you know, I was gonna build it. If I didn't, then it was gonna be a 289 car or whatever, you know the deal. Well, check this out. This is an original issue, screw bottom, 66 Mustang chassis. It had single exhaust with the pipe that come over like this. I've cut this whole section out here because this whole section was like this one right here. It's all molded in. So as you can see, I started out, was going to do this 289, so I started gluing stuff together. And as you can see, the chassis here come with the transmission and the little end of the transmission tube right there molded in. And this one cut off. Well, that's not going to happen now, guys. I've cut that whole section out. I still have to do some grinding down here and grinding right there. I'll have to repair this piece right here. But what's going to happen is so you can see I've opened up that transmission tunnel. And here is my resin cast. Let's get that in focus for you guys. I resin cast this 6-cylinder engine out of the Johan stock version. I have the parts for it. The only thing that, when I resin cast this engine, I'm fixing to sneeze, guys. Excuse me while I do. I ain't going to edit this out either. Bless me. All right. Well, this is not the stock air breather. This is from like a Pinto or something. It's Ford, but it comes from something else. I can't remember what it come from, but this is going to be the air breather that I'm going to use because I didn't have the Johan. When I molded this engine up, I had everything but the Johan. I don't know what happened to that piece right there, so therefore it will have that on it, and nobody will know till I told you so. So that's it. Then we got the oil filter and the header right there that goes on. It'll be, 6-cylinder, single exhaust. And she will set in there like that. I know my camera's probably not giving you the best. But yeah, she'll set in there like that. 6-cylinder fastback, guys. I will probably build the supports, the braces that go across like this. All Mustangs have it. Seems how this is an AMT kit. It ain't like the monogram or the Revell kit, where it's correct underneath here. None of this is correct. So I'm just going to work with what I got. I'm not going into too much detail. This is because it just takes the fun out of it for me. It's just going to use the chassis that there is, and that's what I'm going to do. So, and that'll be it. And then, like on the wheels, I don't know if you can see through these wheels. I drilled the holes out for the hubcaps. I got a little bit more work to do on that one right there. You can see has a little bit of residue in it. And then I'll have to paint inside the wheels gray right there. And of course, do the center cap, and then the outer ring is going to be the color of the car, probably that baby blue. And then the back wheel backs will be, or not baby blue, whatever blue I decide to go with, the back wheel backs will be body color as the car. So when you put this on, you'll look back there, it'll be like having a real hubcap on the wheel, to where the outer rim will be painted the same color as the car. This is going to be a no thrills 3-speed in the floor, 3-speed 6-cylinder fastback, low budget fastback, guys. And that's what she's going to be. I know a lot of people are going to be, man, why are you going to ruin that car? Because it's my car. I can do that. All right, let's move this stuff aside. Let's throw all that. My desk is so messy, guys. It's unreal how messy my desk is. All right, now for Horton. Phil, Horton's Hot Rod. He built a 58, 59, somewhere around in there, Edsel wagon. And he's been building the 57 Ford wagons, and he's doing an excellent job. I'm loving his videos. Y'all, I don't have a shop card for him, so I'll be leaving a description below for him too. And I just wanted to show him this old kit I got right here. It's an old resin kit. Move some of this stuff out of the way. And these are the plans that I have for this kit, eventually when I get around to it. And this one here, I don't know if it's Model House. Somebody tell me. Model House, whatever you want to say. This is a, let me see on the back here what it says on this box. It is a 58 Ford wagon. Okay, so this is the resin that you get. Very good detail. Look at the back of that. Look at the tail lights that go in the back of that. You got your trim, 4-door. There's your front. All right, now this is right here. We got We got the front glass right here. It might even be the back glass, I can't tell. And then we got bright chrome, freshly chromed. Look at that. Front bumper, which will go on that bad boy just like that. Boom. I'll get my dick fingers out of the way. Look at that. Boy, that's going to be a beautiful kit. Then you got your chromed back bumper. Look at that. And then your two back tail lights. And let's see, let's turn this thing around here. And let's see, it would go in there. Well, if I can get them in there like that. Like that. Of course, you know it's resin. Everything's going to need to be trimmed, and you know the whole deal. All right, now here's the meat and potatoes of this. Is what I planned on doing. All right, I got a tore apart 50, 58, 59, whatever it is, that retractable hardtop. I think it was. No, it's a Ranchero. This is Ranchero stuff. And what I plan on doing is putting in there like this. Of course, get it all fixed, and it fits. It mates up perfect in there. And then I plan on cutting this down right here, putting a back seat in it, a bench back seat. Here are, say, the side panels. So right there, I'll just have to engrave like a door for the fourth door, or you know, 4 doors. Engrave the panel lines for it. Y'all can see that going on right there. This was old builder kit. Here is the engine for that kit. So that's the engine going in it. And here is the dash. I have the steering wheel. I have all the parts necessary to do this. And here is the under hood detail, firewall and all that. You can see right here. Alright, so what I'm going to do is cut this hood out, and then I'm going to cut the inside of this out and take the dash off of it, because the dash will go in here. And then I'm going to mount all this underneath that. And then I'll have the hood. I'll either hinge it or whatever I got to do to it. And it will have an engine in it. And I got wheels for it somewhere. I got hubcaps, wheels. I'm going to get it all found. But that's one of them. I wanted to share that with Phil at Horton's Hot Rods there. He's doing such an awesome job with his. I'm loving it. So I just thought I'd share that with him. I wanted him to see this. I love the old resin wagons, you know, because they didn't make too many models of the wagons. So I don't know if this is Model House or Jimmy Flintstone. Some of y'all tell me in the description below. I'm sure somebody's going to know who made this. It's been an old kid here. Let's see. And then I got this one right here. This one here has been outside for long. It's dirty. It's been out in the garage. I don't know. I bet this is probably Jimmy Flintstone. It might be Model House. I kind of doubt it's Model House. I don't think the quality on this one is as nice as that one, but it could be. I mean, I don't know. Y'all's going to have to tell me. But this one here is a 58 or 59. The interior tub is kind of crude on it. That's what makes me wonder. Now, this is how I got it. Now, this might have just been thrown in there. I really don't know. It's got a little bit of warpage to it, but might use that, might not. It don't have no chassis, but, you know, I got parts and parts and parts. I got promo chassis. Now, this in here, I won't probably put an engine in unless I take one of my 57 wagons and use all the stuff from it. I don't know. I might just do that. But, and here is the chromed bumpers. Let's get these out of here. There is the front. You can see we'll go right there just like that. Trying try to get all this stuff to focus for you guys. It's all, that would go just like that. And then here is a chrome back bumper. I think that's the right one. I'm not for sure. I got so many of these chrome bumpers and stuff out there, and then the head or taillights would go up there. I'll have to source those out of some of them other kits. They're around somewhere, and that might not even be the right one. I'll have to check my stuff, because this might not even go to this. I've got so many of them in bags out there. When I bought that collection, these were in there. This might not even be the right one, because I got different ones that's got the headlights in it. But they look the same, so I don't know. They might not even go to that. But I thought I'd share that with him. I thought he'd enjoy that. And now, to get to the meat and potatoes, I'm going to do a giveaway, a subscriber giveaway. So, if you're watching this video, you comment. Don't matter what you do, say, or anything. Don't even say nothing. Just comment. Put something, and you're in. It don't matter where you are or where you're at. You're in. So, as long as you leave a comment, 2 weeks, I will put up a video. We will show the names, and it'll be a random draw. Let me pause this, and I'm going to show you what models are up for grab. Alright, guys, you see that stack of 2 right there? There's like 24 models in that stack right there. Yeah, I got them at Walmart. Y'all know I paid $5 a piece for them. So, this giveaway, whoever I draw will get to pick whatever they want out of that stash. Anything you want out of it, it will get sent to you. There's like 3 of them Jimmys. There's the Supernatural 4-door Impala up there. There's 2 of those 67 Impalas, SS 65 Bonnevilles. There is a 70.5 Camaro. There is whatever that is, 70 something, whatever, El Camino with Soapbox Derby. There is the 60 Chevy with go-kart. There is a 442 64. There's a couple of Surf Sharks. There is the 29 Ford Model A Woody or pickup. International Scouts. You got Chevy 2 funny cars, the altered wheelbase funny cars, 427 fuel injected drag cars. You got a 66 Pro Street Nova, 63, I can't read from here, or 4 wagon, Chevy 2 wagon. There is a 64 Galaxy. Those are promo style. And there you go, guys. 2 weeks. I'll draw a winner. Pick what you want. Appreciate y'all, guys. If it wasn't for y'all, I would not have a channel. Love you. Peace out. Check out everybody I will have in the description. Go subscribe to everybody. Bye.